Hello and welcome to Advanced Excel. In this session, let us try to learn how to apply charts target fixed in the session. So if I apply, for example, 170 over here and press enter, you can notice that the bar goes up and that applies a standard chart target to all the bars below this. This column contains a formula linked up to the previous cell. Therefore, when I change a value here, for example, the value below also changes and applies to the chart target over here. Let us see how to create chart target from beginning. I am Sanjay Gandhi here. I'll take you through creating a good chart target that is fixed. So go to a cell in the table and press Alt F1 to create a chart. That creates a simple bar chart available over here. Hold the Alt key and align all chart borders to Excel borders like this. The left border, the top border, the right border and the bottom border. Having done that, we have aligned our chart to Excel and you can notice that the chart is accurately aligned to Excel borders over here. Let us now see that if my chart target shows me a standard 160 over here, how can I convert that to a line chart? Right click on the target chart, change series chart type, that shows up a new window. In the target over here, we can go to find the line target and then apply that. And this works fine. Version 2013 onwards, we get the options available over here. And prior to that version, we don't have these options. We can directly apply this on the line chart. But for 13 onwards, we have applied the option from here. And that's okay. You can notice that the line chart shows correctly over here. So if I change that to, for example, 150, I can get to see that the line chart moves down. And if I go to apply that, for example, to 160, the line chart moves up. But there is a display change also happening over here. So we are supposed to fix up our vertical axis over here. Right click vertical axis, format axis, and go to maximum value here. And let us apply that maximum value to, for example, 200 and press enter and close the format. If I go back again and try to write 170 over here, for example, you can notice that the target chart moves up, but there is no change in the display. If I go back and apply, for example, 180 over here, this works absolutely fine. 150 again and works absolutely fine. Therefore, our chart target fixed is working fine. But let us now try to apply the format and see how the format will work. So first we go to the title over here and to the formula bar, press equal to, fix the title to the store name and press enter. Apply that bold, go back to the store and let us, for example, change the store name. You can see that this changes over here also. Let us now apply some color changes and some labeling over here. So we apply bar labels over here, go to chart elements, data labels, inside base, and we get the bar labels applied. Close chart elements, go to the number here and apply a white color so that looks clear. And then we apply the format over here. With the chart area background, we go to format, shape fill and pick up orange tone over here, and then plot area, apply white series and look at the grid line, apply white color here also, and the axis at the bottom we apply white color here also. You can notice that this shows clearly with the plot area and the grid lines. Now that we applied the background here, so we can apply the number here also. So we apply the number here also, data labels, chart element, data label, above, close chart element, click on the numbers here and change the font color to match the background like this. So all are vanished. We go to select only one over here and go to format, and apply red color box over here. That shows clearly this box. Let us apply some shadow effects to the chart. Chart area, format, shape effects, shadow, perspective right, bar chart, shape effect, shadow. You can apply any other format also. For example, this one. And this again, shape effect, shadow, and we apply that. You can notice that this shows a fairly good looking chart with chart target fixed over here. So if I change my value here, for example, this changes automatically and then the bar is applied here accordingly. If I make a change here, for example, this changes clearly and crosses that. Suppose my value here is more than the chart target. It crosses that easily and we can see that the chart target appears over the given value. That's how this is done. Let us now revise the steps. Create chart using Alt F1. Hold Alt key and align chart borders to Excel borders. Right click on target bar and change series chart type to apply line chart. In target, select first line chart, then OK. Right click on Y axis, go to format axis and change maximum value to 200. Apply data labels to bar chart and line. Change bar labels font color to white. Click on chart title, link A2 in formula bar. Apply format background and bar depending on your choice. The background that you want to apply, shadow or something else, for example. Hope you enjoyed the session. That's how we can create chart target fixed. Thank you.